Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering what you already have and why you need a Siem. Identify log sources and prioritize by value. Once done, decide ingestion: syslog, API, or agent. Make sure to size storage and throughput for 3090 GB per day because capacity drives design. Define core use cases, detection, compliance, and hunting, then map data sources to those use cases. This step prevents noisy telemetry later and speeds meaningful alerts. Next, you build the data pipeline that makes logs useful. Deploy or tune parsers to normalize timestamps, source and destination IPs, users, and event types. This enables consistent queries. Once normalized, filter out noisy, low-value entries and enrich events using threat intel and identity context, because enriched events reduce investigation time. Finally, design storage tiers: hot for recent days, warm for weeks, and cold for long-term retention. So finish by building detections and response workflows that turn data into action. Write a rule library with baseline, anomaly, and correlation rules, then tune thresholds to reduce false positives. Once rules trigger, automate playbooks and connect to SOAR or ticketing so triage is consistent. If alerts stop or are noisy, troubleshoot by checking ingest pipelines, clock skew between sources, parser failures, and sampling raw logs. Fix the earliest gap first, then rerun tests to validate fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.